Hi friends, it's Friend, and are you kidding? Ads. Okay. Sorry about that. Well, anyway, Animal Jam is mostly back to working. There's the occasional ad that pops up there when I don't click on anything. But, so yeah, today I'm doing a full-blown inventory tour. I'm gonna have to go a little quickly since I've only got 15 minutes, and the last time I tried to do this, some stuff happened, and it got cut off. But anyway, here's the full official inventory tour. Let's go. Okay, so I've got my rare turkey hat, which is actually in the store today. Where are you, rare turkey hat? Rare turkey hat, gobble gobble. Then I've got the big glove, which is back in the stores today. Nope, didn't mean to put that on, but I've got camouflage boots, a beret, rare top coat, golden unicorn horn, golden tiara, dual samurai swords, turquoise ring, rare police hat, elf tail armor, rare spooky top hat, pirate sword, feathered mask, got 2 feathered masks, phoenix amulet, trick-or-treat bucket, nunchucks, diamond earrings, raccoon hat, striker's band! Yay! Horned leg pads, bang necklace, diamond encrusted amulet, ruby ring, epic Egyptian hat, vine anklet, rare angel wings, phantom hat, worn blanket, winged shoes, ribbon scarf, bow and arrow, designer skirt, tutu, sparkly boa, crossbow, DJ headset, tuxedo jacket, moon necklace, rare freedom sword, aviator hat, gazelle horns. I got these before they were rare, by the way. Even before they were not rare. I got them before this. That's what I'm saying. I got the freedom hat, baseball cap, gem encrusted necklace, flip flops, DJ headset, beaded necklace, mustache, and the fedora, which is my oldest item. So yeah, those are all of my items. So yeah. Oh, everybody's gone. Okay, time for den items. Speaking of den items, this is my den. I'm gonna find a place to rest in my den, and then we will do my den up. Oh my gosh, I've got a basket of potatoes. Forgot to tell you about that. Yay! Okay, I'll sit in here by the comfortable wood-burning stove. Yay! Okay. Den items. I'm not going to recycle anything, don't worry. I've got a mopping bucket, vegetable basket, fruit basket, and then I've got eggplants and bananas. Maple leaf rug, broccoli vegetable basket, potato vegetable basket, strawberry fruit basket, and grapefruit basket, and a wood-burning stove, which I'm sitting by. The wood coat hanger, autumn archway, cornstalk lantern, monkey plushie, pot of gems, which I think I got from the Eagle Adventure, winter magic mirror, waffle cone display, corn patch, which way sign, autumn archway, giant pumpkin, wacky which way sign, harvest wagon, treehouse, elephant throne, wacky which way sign, harvest wagon, oh, no, I don't want to cycle that, giant crystal, autumn archway, cornstalk lantern, corn patch, another cornstalk lantern, fancy bouquet, pogo stick, waterfall sprinkler, putting green, giant pumpkin, another corn patch, salon station, salon chair pump chair, 2 salon pump chairs, cornucopia, salon sinks, salon products, string of leaves, fall wreath, bird poop, strobe light, mat, ice cream sundae bench, spooky chair, haunted bookshelf, spooky radio, mystical potion set, pink argyle walls, giant koala plushie whose name is I named him Kevin. This is Kevin. This is bulky golden phantom, candy bowl, candy barrel, candy wall lamp, floating candle, surprise jack-o'-lantern, angry jack-o'-lantern, evil jack-o'-lantern, spooky table, spooky lamp, ghosts, starry walls, bubbling cauldron, coffin, candy shop window, sand pyramids, scared jack-o'-lantern, spooky fence, stone vanity, stone sink, patch of fog, candy shop table, candy streamers, daisy rug, pumpkin throne, banyan tree. We saw those when we went to Puerto Rico. They were super cool. There's like a lizard just sitting on one. It was pretty cool. Okay, wheelbarrow planter, candy wall lamp, patch of fog, scary eyes, candy making machine, candy shop chair, candy streamer, sunflowers, fancy vanity, opal birthstone. I like how the opal birthstone looks. It's like the earth. Candy making machine, candy shop table, candy wall lamp, chocolate covered apples, candy shop register, candy flower patch, rag and leaf pile, chest of gems, beta blue chest, which you got at the maid party. I'm cheated. A whole bunch of plushies, which I'm just gonna scroll through. That one's holding a knife. He's gonna kill you. It's kind of dark, Animal Jam. Bronze Juno statue, bronze olive statue, 4th birthday cake, bonsai tree, stone lamp, circular chair, salon chair, fancy table, candelabrum, heart pillow, star pillow, yellow diner tiles, vanity and mirror, ice cream parlor table, unicorn tea set, spilled ice cream, lava floor, baby palm tree, ice cream toppings display, ice cream cake freezer, ice cream parlor jukebox, waffle cone display, glass parlor display, ice cream parlor high table, ice cream parlor stool, ice cream parlor chair, a whole bunch of ice cream parlor chairs, pottery wheel, beta table, circular chair, cash register, grill, another circular chair, spider web floor, computer, pet cabin, rack of clothing, scented candle, blue vines, blue shag carpet, terrace chair, freedom ducky, terrace chair, terrace table, cherry blossom tree, laptop, hovering desk, flat heated rock, blue sky, grass carpet, grand piano, pink sofa that's actually blue, bicycle, fridge, cheetahs, snow leopard, kangaroo, wolf, blah. Brown tile, smoothie machine, HD television, rainbow pink, walls, ice cream sundae, diner booth, diner booth, smoothie machine, snake plushie, turtle plushie, nest of eggs, curved sofa, giant pet owl plushie, elegant table, porch swing, wacky item, gem encrusted rug, pink sofa, fruit bowl, 3rd birthday cake, passion flower, giant bubblegum machine, tablet computer, lemonade stand, pet fox plushie, and my very first item that I got is pink orange sofa. Boom! Stuff! Okay, so those are all my items, and oh my goodness, I have 2 letters. Oh, it's my friend, in my real life friend. Okay, let's chat with my real life friend. I don't really want it. I'll give it to her. Where is she? Hope you don't mind, I just turned the music on. Oh, is she off now? Did it take so long? Poop. Sorry, Fox Lover. She doesn't have the greatest then. Maybe I should send her some stuff. That'd be nice of me. What should I send her? Let's try to send her. Definitely not play wild. I actually didn't know it was rare until my buddy sent it to me, and she was like, here, this is rare, keep it. And I'm like, okay. I mean beta. It's beta, not rare. Beta and rare is like similar, but betas are more beta and rares are more rare. And I'm just blabbing on about pointless things. Let's send her some wallpaper. She deserves this. She's a good friend. She's still getting her start in Animal Jam. We'll help her out. Definitely not that. It's my first item ever. Hmm. Hmm. I will send her one of my candy streamers. Yay, I'm a good person. I don't know what I'm doing. I've been pretty good. I'm at 96 subscribers now. We're just 4 subscribers away. You guys are fantastic. Oh, she's got a wood burning stove too. I love the wood burning stove. It's so cute. Well, I'm doing pretty well. I think when I hit 100 subscribers, I'm gonna make a video and I'm gonna have a big party. And since nobody's probably gonna watch this video very much, I am going to probably talk about it more in the comments of my most popular video, so that people actually see it. It's a good strategy. Don't doubt it. Why am I talking like Stewie? I don't even know who Stewie is. I just watched a bunch of Thomas Sanders vibes, and now I'm talking in a funky voice. Okay, I'm so weird. So, oh my goodness, that's so cute. Okay, so we're gonna have a big party, and I'm gonna probably get a bunch of something and send it out to people who come. And there'll be like, if it works, there will at least be a couple of you there. How did that person do the upside down? Oh, they must, what? No. It's in a different language. What is going on? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. How did this happen? This is awesome. Oh, that's why it says Venta instead of store. Yeah, the rest of everything is still in English. Oh, not anymore. Oh my gosh, this is so awesome. Muy queso. This is so awesome. You don't think I'm is a word in this? Can I say Spanish? Yes. I don't know how to say it. Can I say Spanish? In la. How do you say different in Spanish? Different in Spanish. Google Translate, where are you? Translate. Okay. 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 Different. Differente language. I'm sorry if this is insulting someone who speaks Spanish. Idioma. This is awesome. How did this even happen?